What's going on YouTube? So today we're going to swap out the battery hold downs. The stock ones, you'll see here, they pinch. Where this goes down and in, you've got your cables. So in order to lock it down, you run the risk of pinching those wires, which, you know, as expensive as these batteries are, I would rather not run that risk. So today we're going to go over installing, we have a set of Hot Racing that we'll go to here. All right, so we have Hot Racing XRT, looks like the part number XRT 126M06. Run, I believe it was 50 bucks or so. But that's going to eliminate that, so we don't have to worry about pinching those wires anymore. I do run a taller stack battery than the regular Traxxas, so we'll make it to where they fit in there better and don't have to worry about messing up a balance connector lead or pinching anything and anything catching fire. Don't need that. So we'll get started. Okay, so it's just 2 screws on the bottom. It literally just pulls right out. Your new ones. Let's see here. Okay, we will use Loctite because we're going metal into metal. Okay, so we've got those screwed in. Now let's go ahead and get our strap. Unfold our strap. Okay, so what I'm wanting to do here is I'm taking this strap. It does not have a buckle or anything to hold it. It's just the strap itself. There we go. So I'm taking it about 3/4 of the way, doubling it over, so that way it mates, and using about 2 inches of stickiness touching. Now, the reason for doing that is, like I said, we don't have a buckle, but it makes it to where I can put my pack in, take the strap, being new, they're being a pain, but strap, go all the way across, hold the battery in. So I already have the other side completed, so you'll see the strap's in, locked in, and I can pick the truck up damn near. I don't want to mess up my battery cables, but I can just about pick up the whole truck with that, so I don't think they're going anywhere. So that was an easy build for us. So for that accessory, we still have more to go as the parts arrive. So we'll talk to you and see you on the next video.